In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect ClickUp with Aikido Security step by step. This integration is really useful if you want to streamline your security workflows directly inside ClickUp and keep everything centralized in one place. Whether you're managing tasks, monitoring issues, or improving visibility across your team, connecting ClickUp with Aikido Security can save you a lot of time. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software integrations and tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to clickup.com. Go ahead and log in using your ClickUp account credentials. Make sure you're logging into the workspace where you want Aikido Security to be connected. Once you're logged in, you should see your ClickUp dashboard with your spaces, folders, and lists on the left-hand side. Next, look at the left navigation panel and scroll down until you see the option called More. Click on More to expand additional settings and tools available in ClickUp. This is where ClickUp hides many of its advanced features, including integrations and apps. After clicking on More, find and click on the option labeled Apps. This will take you to the ClickUp Apps page, where you can browse, search, and manage all integrations available for your workspace. Give it a second to load, especially if this is your first time opening the Apps section. Once you're on the Apps page, you'll see a list of available integrations. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to make things faster. Type in Aikido Security and select it from the results when it appears. Clicking on Aikido Security will open the Integration Details page, where you can review what the app does and how it connects with ClickUp. Now, when you're ready, click on the Install button. ClickUp may ask you to confirm the installation or grant permissions so Aikido Security can access certain parts of your workspace. Carefully review the permissions, then approve them to continue. This step is important because it allows Aikido Security to work properly with your ClickUp tasks and data. After installation is complete, the integration will be active in your workspace. Depending on your setup, you may see new options, fields, or automation features related to Aikido Security inside ClickUp. At this point, you've successfully connected ClickUp with Aikido Security. I recommend taking a few minutes to explore the integration settings so you can customize how Aikido Security works with your tasks and workflows. This helps you get the most value out of the integration and ensures it fits your team's needs. And that's it. You've now learned how to connect ClickUp with Aikido Security in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials, integrations, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.